Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Trading for Beginners. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can do research on a company before investing. So without any further ado, let's get started. Dive into a default web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, you can use it too. In the search bar, you can just type in investing.com, which will lead you to the official web page of investing.com. In this interface, you can find out the various of source results available here. Click one of the company you want research about. Let's search for Puma. Click on the Puma and you will head towards this type of interface. In this interface, you can research everything about the Puma. You can also research streaming and the general chart. You can read the news and analysis of the Puma company. You can check everything and you can research everything of this company in investing.com. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.